Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix why you can't send friend requests on Facebook. To start the process, open your Facebook application on your mobile device. Then tap on Menu on your top right. Now scroll down and tap on Help and Support. Here tap on Report a Problem. Tap on Report a Problem. Here tap on Include in Report. Now select Friend Request from here. Now type your report in the box. You can write it the same way as I'm writing here, or you can write it in your own words. Just make sure to be as detailed as possible. From here, you can attach any screenshot or picture related to the problem. Then tap on the Send button. Facebook will soon resolve your problem. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.